Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today's video with this red bob hair transformation. Wow, I absolutely love this color. Pure perfection for the fall season. So here we see someone with mid-length hair. The stylist chops the hair off. And she ends up getting this very pretty bob, ends just above the shoulders. Look how much body that has. Next up, we have the Lady Diana hair trend. This, of course, is inspired by Princess Diana. Look how much volume her bob has. And then we see a nice shaggy style. Beautiful color dimension here. Definitely something unique and bold. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. The stylist chops off the hair. Her hair is so thick and pretty. Ends up getting this beautiful volumized bob. Nice amount of curls mixed in. So beautiful. So here we have someone with natural curly hair. Looks like she went red for the fall season. Oh, such a gorgeous color. Here we have someone with long hair. Looks like she's getting the hair cut into a bob. That is a lot of hair gone. She's got this beautiful volumized bob. Gorgeous. Here we have someone getting a nice bob cut refresh. So he's just kind of cleaning her up, cutting a little bit of the hair up here, doing a nice little shape up. I love how beautiful the blonde looks once the hair is dry. Gorgeous bright blonde hue. Then we have another Shaggy haircut variation. This one is a little bit more curved. Beautiful bangs going there in the front. Kind of has that butterfly layered effect. Should I go red? Absolutely. I love red hair. So beautiful. So here we have a bob. I think that her hair color is very unique and bold. Bright pink in the front mixed with the red. Absolutely gorgeous. For the appointment after. Another gorgeous hair color change. The French bob. So the French girl style bob has actually been trending for the past couple of years. Definitely adds a bit of flair to the more traditional style bob. Stylist does that flip under and then of course the bangs in the front, and that's what really gives that French girl style aesthetic. And she is definitely happy with her makeover. Now, if your hair is on the thin side, that is definitely a style to try because it is going to make the hair appear thicker. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.